Okay, so we are putting molding, like crown molding, on this mirror to finish it off. This is what it looks like. I use a peel and stick molding from Amazon, and I'll put the link below so you can see this stuff is super, I mean, when you put it down, it stays. What I love about this crown molding is that I didn't have to do anything special. You know, these mirrors, they have these little brackets, metal brackets that stick out. And for the longest time, I was thinking about just buying wood and doing it, but then the wood wouldn't sit or be as flexible as this thing is. So what I loved about it is I didn't have to do anything at all to those little brackets that they use to mount these mirrors on. And you know which ones I'm talking about, because you have two on the bottom and two on the top. I didn't have to do anything like that. This stuff is very forgiving. It's also very durable. The details are really nice. I'm so happy with it that I'm going to get a thin like rope type so that I can finish the ceiling, like in between the ceiling and the wallpaper. I want to trace it all the way around to give it that, you know, extra look. And then I'm probably going to do a little bit of a molding up here just to make this molding look a little bit thicker and nicer. But I am really, really excited about it. It really turned out very, very well, and I highly recommend this product. No need to worry, I will put the link below so that you can see for yourself the size, and you can determine how much you need for your project. But in any case, thank you for watching. You may want to also see the video doing this little makeover of this little bathroom. I'll put the link in the description as well if you wanted to have a look. But I'm pretty happy with it. So anyway, have a blessed day and thank you for watching.